Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be looking at XRP price predictions. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video to find out why you should buy XRP now before it's too late. Ripple employs XRP to facilitate a product named XRapid, which is deployed to provide a source of ready-to-go liquidity in making payments for banks and other financial bodies. Ripple's XRP has turned heads in the crypto market for several reasons, good ones. Like every other form of cryptocurrency, it's experienced quite the tough baptism. This means that at some point, it's seen the blind side by investors who are unclear of the prospect of a relatively new cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has set a great standard, which has set many other altcoins back. There's just so much pressure to keep up and stay relevant in the market. It's usually depressing to consider the fact that somehow many of us missed the glorious opportunity to make millions via Bitcoin investment before its value skyrocketed. It left people regretting such a missed chance. So it was not surprising that when other types of cryptocurrency started surfacing, many people dived head-on into them. No one wanted to miss the next big break. The key to tapping into the potential of certain cryptos lies in the speculative intent of investors. According to the trend established by Bitcoin and other altcoins that have risen to the occasion such as Ethereum and Litecoin, it's best to buy into a cryptocurrency when it's pretty much sold at a low value. As an example, in the rise of Bitcoin, people who bought it in bulk in its early stages for as low as $5 or even lower are supposed to be billionaires by now. Let's imagine buying 1,000 Bitcoin at a $5 valuation. That means a total expense of $5,000. Fast forward to 2017, when the price boomed to a staggering $12,803.10, and this spun people into a buying and selling frenzy. Truth is, 1,000 Bitcoin as of 2017 was worth over $128 million. Buying that amount of Bitcoin while it was at $5 without a clear sign of a major rise in value turned out to be a wise decision. Even when Bitcoin fell from the remarkable high of $20,000 to as low as $6,000, investors were still not at a loss. This underlines the importance of being the early bird in the crypto market. It naturally becomes extremely difficult to mine or buy enough of a cryptocurrency when its price matures. Many people also benefited from the rise in the value of Ethereum. The adage which says the early bird catches the worm is real for cryptocurrencies. Thinking and deciding against investing in a cryptocurrency due to its humble beginnings could lead to a string of hurtful regrets down the line. Let's say that the reason many people missed out on Bitcoin and Ethereum was that there was a paucity of information to run with. However, that's not the case anymore. Several analytic platforms have consistently provided the necessary information about the potential of any crypto. Therefore, there's no excuse for missing another opportunity to make millions off of cryptocurrency. Ripple's XRP is one of the budding cryptocurrencies in the world at the moment. It runs on a centralized ledger called the XRP Ledger, and it was streamlined to work with the world's biggest financial institutions against the normal trend of other cryptocurrencies. It's shown remarkable potential as a result of more and more global finance bodies joining its ranks. Ripple XRP plays dual roles as a payment platform and a currency. The platform is an open-source platform that's created to allow quick and cheap transactions. Top banks and financial institutions can facilitate swift transactions from different parts of the world with the aid of Ripple's XRP, which serves as the base of value. With XRP, the company provided a laudable means of sending funds for transactions in a safer and faster way. It's believed that as more and more people get to use Ripple, the value of XRP is bound to improve in the market. It's a potential gold mine. The altcoin is currently holding a market cap value of almost $21 billion, with $17 billion trading volume. The total existing amount of XRP is $100 billion, with just under $43 billion circulating supply. The market cap is currently over $11 million, and that's with XRP currently priced at $0.25. XRP has seen better days in 2017 and 2018, when it experienced a major boost in value. Market analysts report that the coin started in 2012 with an approximate price of $0.005. There was no subsequent rise until May 2017, when its price peaked. XRP suddenly soared to $0.36 per coin. The second price boost occurred around January 2018, when XRP hit its highest so far, around $3.84. In December 2017, XRP started rising from around $1.15 to $2.48 after blowing past the $2 mark. Its rise was predicted, but unprecedented, at least not that soon. In the chart here, we can see the meteoric rise in the price of XRP. The coin started in December 2017 at $0.23. It grew by 962% by month's end. In that period, it moved past the $2 mark and surpassed altcoins such as Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum to become the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world. Its rate of growth exceeded that of Bitcoin for multiple days. This led to a shift in position on the crypto chart, which can be observed in the table representing the top 5 cryptocurrencies in 2017 here. Ripple grew massively, and it was in contention for the most progressive cryptocurrency of the year. The Ripple buzz happened then, and it's still happening now. This should encourage people to invest in Ripple rather than other cryptocurrencies. Investing in XRP now may mean that you become a long-term investor. You should be prepared to weather the ups and downs and take a risk because you have no idea where it could rise in 5 years. When it comes to cryptocurrency, these are still the very early days, and this is the best time to cash in on it. In November 2020, some cryptocurrencies outperformed Bitcoin, and Ripple was not left out. XRP price soared up 65% in 1 week to a new yearly high. Some analysts have predicted that with the current trend of XRP price, if it cements a new level of support, investors and traders should expect a rally to $0.55 early next year, albeit after reaching a previous high of about $2. It is suggested that a break of $0.49 is set to go on a bullish run towards $2. Concerning the XRP price patterns, analysts expect that endless collaborations will be entered into with more financial institutions and the $2 mark could be reached by XRP. As it stands now, XRP is hovering at around $0.6 and it's expected to hit the $0.65 mark, and then prepare to hit a staggering $2 in the coming days. A graphical proof of this is evident in this chart, which shows the trend of XRP reaching towards the resistance line. XRP has gained an 18% growth rate from its last dip on September 24th. Another prediction pegs the potential rise of XRP to 0.5 by the end of the month. XRP has managed to maintain its uptrend position since Q1 of this year. It's also grown up to 136% from its dip of 0.106 in March 2020 to 0.2595 in October. If this bullish run continues, XRP has a chance to close 2020 with a whopping price of $0.5. It might even skyrocket to $1 to $1.5 in 2021 if it follows the trajectory with minimal corrections. The chart presents a conservative Ripple XRP price prediction in 2021 of $0.5. It also reflects the potential to reach up to $1 to $1.5 in the second or third quarter of 2021. The XRP bull run is going in tandem with the overall bull run of Bitcoin. While March saw Bitcoin experienced a major dip in the market price, halving itself, XRP experienced a dip of its own. Though it has recovered to an encouraging high, which led analysts to believe that it could be set for a major boost to a milestone of $2 by next week. Whether this prediction is right or wrong remains to be seen, but it pays to be on the safer side. If the price surges to $2 or higher, it may stabilize there. This means that thinking of investing then may come with a higher cost and its trends may become more volatile due to the influx of investors that is bound to happen sooner rather than later. Why is XRP a good investment? As stated earlier in the video, XRP runs on a centralized exchange and as a result is different from every other decentralized cryptocurrency. Instead of offering traders and investors a way to make online transactions without having to go through a centralized financial body as in Bitcoin and other altcoins, XRP functions to facilitate a faster and cheaper way to make payments for those very same centralized financial bodies. XRP thrives on the support of banks such as Santander, Royal Bank of Canada, American Express, Westpac, and others. It's predicted to attain efficiency in speeding up transactions and alleviating the cost of a transaction, attracting more and more users. This fact adds considerable potential to escape the problems that other coins may face. The major challenge being a legislative clampdown on crypto. Its role as a centralized system will in the long term secure the future of the coin as it consolidates and rises in value. It has the potential to grow exceedingly and yield high returns for its investors. This is another train you cannot afford to miss. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. What's stopping you from investing in XRP now? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.